What's wrong with you? Ryan? He has to say I'm sorry to me, and he hasn't done it yet.
Did he say it yet? Said, can I come talk to me? So poking me in the eye. Oh, you want to look at pictures again?
Oh, what a mean boy today.
You done? You crying? Kids are gonna love you on the internet, by the way.
That's your brother.
Yeah, and you too.
Yeah, and you too.
Yeah.
Who's in the middle?
Yeah.
Who's this, Sierra? Who's this?
We do.
Your mom did. She just said it's crying yet.
Tell her that she's gonna get a video. You okay?
Ryan, all you have to do is say sorry.
Yeah, let's not make a big deal out of it.
Because I'm not going to let you poke me in the eye either. So say you're sorry.
I guess he poked Jill in the eye too.
Say you're sorry. Oh, you want to look at pictures? What do you want to look at pictures of? You?
No, Daddy. Daddy.
The son?
Yeah,
oh,
Daddy.
Look at the puppy. That's Widgeon. Say hi, Widgeon.
Hi, Widgeon.
There's Widgeon at his tongue.
There's his tongue, Daddy. There's his tongue.
Yeah, Widgeon. Oh, watch Widgeon play in the snow.
You done? You gonna say sorry to Puna? I didn't hear you. What? What?
Ryan, can you please say sorry? To Puna?
For poking me in the butt with a screwdriver? He poked me in the butt with a screwdriver, and Jill caught him, and he hasn't apologized for the past half an hour yet.
Look at his ears. Where's the puppy's ears?
Yeah.
Look at this. The average human walks 900 miles per year and drinks 22 gallons of beer, which means the average human being gets 42 miles per gallon. Not bad.
That's awesome.
What?
He just apologized to me. And he's still sniffling.
Okay, come here, Ryan.
No, Ming Jill wants her now.
Okay, no, you're not going to have it yet. I'm going to talk to you first. Sorry. I know it's really hard. No, nothing to get worked up about. Look at me, please.
Look at my ear. I'm here.
Calm down. What are you doing?
Listen. It's not okay. It's not okay to say that you don't like it. It's not okay to say that you're going to kill somebody. Okay? Those things are not okay. When you do that, Ming Jill gets very sad and she doesn't want to do it.
Why did you do it, Buna?
I'm recording while Ryan trying.
Yeah, what did
Is it nice to poke Ming Jill in the eye? Yes or no? Huh? Is that nice to do?
this is
Here, give me your hand so I can't see. Is that nice to do that? Is it nice to poke you in the eye? Is it nice to poke you in the eye? No. Does Ryan like nice things to do? Huh? Yeah. So does Ryan have to be nice to have nice things? Does Ryan have to be nice? Okay. So I don't want you to say that you're going to kill people, and I don't want you to be nice. You need to be a nice little boy so I can give you treats. Okay? Can you try harder? Can Ryan try harder? Yes or no? Can you try harder to be nice? Can you try harder to be nice?
Trouble.
Yeah. Okay. So now Ming Jill needs a hug, and then you can have your snake back. Don't put my fingers in your mouth. Okay, because I don't want to leave you bad notes. So I need a hug and a kiss, and then you can have your snake back. Can I have a hug?
Get my penguin.
Alright, give me a kiss.
Get my
There
penguin.
you go.